In today's video, I'll share a squeeze candidate inside of Western Digital. Western Digital, ticker symbol WDC, is setting up a really nice squeeze which looks like it's likely to fire long. Let's put some real data behind each of these signals to see how effective are they. Now I have 20 years worth of data loaded on, along with our squeeze signals backtester to start off. That allows us to backtest these cyan arrows, which is what's telling us that we think the squeeze is likely to fire here in the near future. For all of our Volatility Box members, you can download all of the tools that I'll be talking about, including both backtesters, for free on our website. That's tosindicators.com/squeeze-course. And there, if you scroll down, you'll be able to find the Slingshot Squeeze Backtester and the Squeeze Signals Backtesters. They're both included for free with your membership. Now, if we start by taking a look at the squeeze signals first, that's the cyan arrows. I have 20 years worth of data loaded on. And over 20 years, we can see that this has been a winner 14 out of the 18 total times that the strategy has triggered. On average, our win rate has been about 6.35% per trade. And on average, our loss per trade has been about 8.42%. If we zoom out and look at all 20 years worth of data, we can see a consistently rising P&L, which helps give us confidence in this overall strategy. If we zoom in from 20 years to just the past 5 years, we can see that this has been a 100% winner over the past 5 years. Now, another backtester that we can load in is our Slingshot Squeeze Backtester, and that's meant to help backtest these yellow arrows. Those come on when we're likely to get an early entry in the squeeze, looking for that momentum to switch. Typically, when you start to see this signal along with this signal, the squeeze fires shortly after that. So I'm expecting WDC squeeze here to get going. Now, using the Slingshot Squeeze Backtester, if we load in 20 years worth of data, we can see that we have yet another consistently winning strategy. 16 winners out of the 18 total trades. On average, the winner was right around 6%, the loser 8.68%. Same idea here, we can see a P&L graph that is overall green. So all three of these signals backtest well for the bullish side. That's suggesting we are looking for this squeeze here to fire long. In terms of our actual trend, the market pulse is telling us we have a bullish trend with a green market pulse. And if instead of the market pulse, you prefer stacked moving averages, you can see that we even have stacked moving averages across the board, with the 8 EMA above the 21 EMA, above the 34 EMA, above the 50 SMA, and the 200 SMA. So Western Digital here across the board looks like a really nice squeeze candidate in which we're looking for this squeeze to fire long. Again, for all Volatility Box members, you can download the tools, including the scan that I use to actually find Western Digital, on our squeeze course website. That's tosindicators.com/squeeze-course. And there you'll find all of the indicators, the backtesters, and the scans. Take care, everyone. Good luck trading, and I'll see you in our next update.